students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Eltham Public School, and this school situated in Gola Bazar. On last days, you have learned large numbers, addition, subtraction, and different types of patterns and symmetry, as like how patterns are formed, telling patterns and symmetry. Okay, but today we will learn chapter 6, that is our division, and we will understand what is division and how we can divide numbers. What is division? Do you know what is division? Division means equally sharing. What? Equal sharing. Division means equal sharing. That means you can see here that given an example, that is given warm up. You can see here that there are 3 monkeys. Okay, on the tray there are 3 monkeys, and how many caps are there? So you have to count there how many caps are there. There are 9 caps. Okay, how many caps are there? There are 9 caps, and each monkey have to want equal. That means each monkey have want to divide equally among them. Okay, so how many caps will each monkey get? How many caps will each monkey get? You have to find. So there are share equally 9 caps for 3 monkeys. You have to share equally 9 caps for 3 monkeys, and also the circle the caps to make equal groups, and circle the caps to make equal groups. If you want to make equal groups, so you have to divide it from 3. Why? Because there are 3 monkeys and there are 9 caps, and you have to share equally among them. Okay, so we will divide 9 from 3. That will be 3. The quotient will be 3, and in 9 divided by 3, in this fact, share equally 9 caps for 3 monkeys and circle the caps to make equal groups. Okay, you have to share equally 9 caps for 3 monkeys and also circle the caps to make equal groups. The division fact will be 9 divided by 3. What is 9? 9 is the number of total caps. And what is 3? 3 is the number of monkey. Okay, and we want to share equally among 3 monkeys. So we have to divide 9 from 3. That will be, our answer will be 3. So each monkey have get 3 caps. Okay, and in other words you can say that each monkey gets 3 caps. Okay, each monkey gets 3 caps, and in division fact 9 divided by 3 equals 3. The 9 is the dividend. Dividend is called which number is divided from smaller number, that is called our dividend. And the divisor is number that divide the number. Okay, that is called divisor, and the answer will be quotient. As like there are 9 caps and 3 monkeys, so we have to divide 9 from 3, and the answer will be 3. So each monkey get 3 caps, so their 3 will be quotient. Okay, quotient or quotient. Write the division fact for 3 multiply 3 equal 9. You have to write the division fact for 3 multiply 3 equal 9. When you will write division fact for 3 multiply 3 equal 9, there will be 9 divided by 3 equal 3 and 9 divided by 3 equal 3. We can write 2 division fact from each multiplication fact. Division means share equally or making equal groups. What means of division? Division means sharing equally or making equal groups. Okay, Now come on, that's our next topic, equal sharing. What is equal sharing? You have to understand here. There is an example given. An example is given here. You can see that the example is granny wants to divide 15 apples among 5 children. How many apples will each child get? What? Granny wants to divide 15 apples equally among 5 children. And how many apples which each child get? Okay, so there is number of apples are 15. That is 15 apples. Total number of apples are 15. And there are 5 children. And granny wants to divide equally among these 5 children. So how many apples will each child get? You have to find how many apples which each child get. She start by giving 1 apple to each child. That means she gives 1 apple to each child. That means 1 to first, 1 to second, 1 apple to third, 1 apple to fourth, and 1 apple to 5. Then he gave one apple to each. Then 10 apples remains. Okay. Once again she gives 1 more apple to each child. She gives 1 more apple to each child. So first have 2 apples, second child have 2 apples, third child have 2 apples, and fourth child have 2 apples, and fifth child have 2 apples. Okay. Now each child have 2 apples and 5 apples are remain. And finally granny gives 1 more to each of them, because there are 5 are remaining. So we can divide 5 children equally among them. Okay. So granny gives 1 more apples to each children. So there will be 5 and minus 5, because granny given remaining 5 apples to each children. So there will be 5 minus 5 will be 0 left. Okay. So therefore when 15 apples are equally shared by 5 children, therefore when 15 apples are equally shared by 5 children, each one will get 3. When 15 apples are equally shared by 5 children, each one will get 3. In other words, you can say when 15 apples are shared equally among 5 children, each child gets 3 apples. Okay. And now multiplication, division fact will be, the division fact will be 15 divided by 5 equals 3. What is 15? 15 is the number of total apples. And what is 5? 5 is the number of apples. 5 is the number of children. Okay. 5 is the number of children, and we have to divide 15 from 5. That will be 3. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And 15 is the number of total apples, and 5 is the number of children, and there will be 3. 3 is the quotient, because each child gets 3 apples. Okay. So now exercise 6.1, you can see here that's your next topic. Next you have to do exercise 6.1. You can see here that is given. What you have to do: color the balls as per the code to share them. Color the balls as per the code to share them equally among Ishan, Jaspreet and Ashwin. There are 3 boys: Ishan, Jaspreet and Ashwin. Yeah. There are 3 children: Ishan, Jaspreet and Ashwin, and you have to divide equally among them these balls. How many balls are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 18. How many balls are there? There are 18 balls. How many balls are there? There are 18 balls. And we have to divide, we have to share equally among 3 children, Ishan, Jaspreet and Aswin. So, how many balls will each child get? How many balls will each child get? So, number of balls are 18 and number of children are 3. So, we have to divide 18 from 3. That will be 3. So, each child get 6 balls and 6 to Ishan, 6 balls to Ishan, 6 balls to Jaspreet and 6 balls to Aswin. Which ball get Ishan? You have to color from red. That means which ball get Ishan? You have to color from red. And which ball that Jaspreet get? You have to color from green. And that ball Aswin gets, you have to color from pink. That means Ishan gets 6 balls, so you will color 6 balls from red. And Jaspreet also get 6 balls, so you have to color 6 balls from green. And Aswin also gets 6 balls, so next 6 balls you have to color from pink. Have you understood this question or not? Tell me something about. Okay. That's our next topic. The next question is, you have to share the given stars equally between the clouds. Share the given stars equally between the clouds. You have to share the given stars equally between the clouds. Firstly, you have to count the number of stars that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many stars are there? How many stars are there? There are 16 stars. How many stars are there? There are 16 stars. And how many number of clouds? There are 2 clouds. So, how many stars will be in each cloud? So, you have to share stars equally between the clouds. That is, number of stars is 16 and number of cloud is 6. Number of cloud is 2. So you have to divide 16 from 2. That will be 8. So in each cloud there will be 8 stars. Let's revise. There are 16 stars and 16 stars you have to share equally between 2 clouds. So there are number of clouds are 2. So we have to divide 16 stars from 2. That will be 8. So in each cloud there will be 8 stars. Okay. Now you have to fill in the blanks. First question is total number of stars. How many total number of stars? There are 16 stars. How many total number of stars? There are 16 stars. And second one is number of clouds. There are number of clouds is 2. There are 2 clouds. And question third, each cloud will have 8 stars. Why? Because 16 is the total number of stars and there are 2 clouds. And you have to share equally between the clouds. So there will be 8 stars in each cloud. So each cloud have 8 stars and the division fact will be 16 divided by 2 equal 8. What is 16? 16 is the number of star and what is the 2? 2 is the number of cloud. And what is 8? 8 is the number of stars in each cloud. Okay? Now come on, question number C, that is share these balloons equally among. Share these balloons equally among. Firstly, you have to count balloons. How many balloons are there? You can count how many balloons are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many balloons are there? There are 12 balloons. How many balloons? here are 12 balloons, okay, and you have to divide two children. You have to divide among two children. So each child gets how many balloons each child gets? You know that 12 balloons shared equally among two children. That balloons are 12. Number of balloons are 12. And you have to share equally among two children. And you know that you have to share equally among two children. So you have to divide 12 from 2. That will be 6. So each child gets 6 balloons. Have you understood or not? There are two children and number of balloons are 12. So you have to divide 12 from 2. That will be 6. Okay, so each child gets 6 balloons. Next one is question number 2. You have to divide among 4 children. You know that there are 12 balloons in all and you have to divide among 4 children. So we will divide 12 from 4. That will be 3. So each child gets 3 balloons. And what is 12? 12 is the number of balloons. And what is 4? 4 is the number of children. And each child gets 3 balloons. Okay. Now question 3rd is 6 children. There are 6 children and you have to divide these balloons equally among 6 children. So number of balloons are 12 and number of children are 6. So we will divide 12 from 6. 12 from 6, that is 2. So each child gets 2 balloons. How many balloons each child gets? Each child gets 2 balloons. Okay. And what is 12? 12 is the number of total balloons and 6 is the number of children. So each child gets 12 balloons. You have to write, now your homework time. You have to write exercise A, B, C in your CW copy. Thank you.